Hello, this is Ace Matthew, and in this question, they're saying find the coefficient of x in this expression. So if we look at this, we see for the coefficient of x, it's going to be whatever terms this has times x plus 2. So we're going to need to use the second section, I guess, first, which would be coefficient matching. So in this expression, there's going to be a constant, well, x to the fifth term and x to the fourth term, all the way to a constant term. Let's call that k. So to find a coefficient of x, if we have like an x squared term all the way to the x fifth term, no matter what we multiply this by, we're always going to get a term that's going to be greater than x to the first. It's going to be x to the second or third or fourth or all the way up to six. So we know we can ignore all of these terms entirely. And so what we can instead just do is just say, hey, let's focus on just these two terms. It's x plus 2. And so if we multiply this by a constant term, and if we multiply this by an x term, in this expression, we should get, this would be kx, this would be 2ax. So, and then if we add them up, we should get our value for the coefficient of x. So that's basically our coefficient matching part done. Now we just need to find what is the constant term, what is the ax term. Well, the constant term would be 5 choose 0 times x to the 0th times 3 to the 5th, which would give, why can't I do math, 243. Whereas if we do the x term, it would be 5 choose 1, x to the first, 3 to the fourth, which would give 405. So now we can just multiply them together. 405x times 2, it gives 810x. 243 times x gives 243x. So if we add them up, we should get 1053x. And so our coefficient is 1053. Thank you.